Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code CE-3224-5 when you cannot start the application. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So let's go ahead and say I cannot start Call of Duty Modern Warfare and play Warzone. How can I go ahead and get this game to launch on my PlayStation 4? Well, there are some steps you can go ahead and take to make sure this application works again. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 4, let's go up to Settings and then go to Account Management and then go to Restore Licenses. And if there is any kind of licensing issues, this should go ahead and restore the game and make sure you're allowed to play. So let's just hit Restore Licenses. So if you bought anything from the PlayStation Store, this should go ahead and verify it once again for your PlayStation account. So that is good. This typically happens when there is like a little lock symbol by your application in the bottom right hand where it says Start. Another thing you can do is to fully delete the application and then re-download it from library. When you go here and then just go to name AZ, press triangle and go to recently used or install date, and you'll be able to find the application right here and install it and download it again onto your PlayStation 4. Now, if you are using the disc version, make sure the disc is properly cleaned. Now, there are some tips where you can take a microfiber cleaning cloth, a little bit of water, a little bit of toothpaste, and rub it on the disc and just get it very, very, very clean. And then reinsert it back into your PlayStation 4 after you've dried off the disc and wiped away all the toothpaste and see if that works. Now, let's go over to my PlayStation 4 and unplug it from the wall. So let's press and hold down the PlayStation button, then go to power and go to turn off and completely turn off your PlayStation 4. Do not go to rest mode. And we're going to reset the cache and then start the PlayStation 4 into safe mode and rebuild the database. So let's go to turn off now. Okay, so here is my PlayStation 4. There are no lights on the top indicating it's completely powered off. If it's orange, that means it's still on and it's in rest mode. You have to have it completely turned off for this to work. So flip your PlayStation 4 around and take the power cord here and unplug it and leave it unplugged for approximately 1 minute and then replug it back in. And this will reset the cache on the PlayStation 4. Now hopefully if there's any kind of corrupted data on it, this will fix it. So then plug it back in. Now let's launch our PlayStation 4 into safe mode. So locate the power button and hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear another beep and your PlayStation 4 will launch into rest mode. So I heard that second beep. Go ahead and let go. So to operate the safe mode menu, you will need a USB to micro USB cable. Plug this into the front of your PlayStation and then plug the controller in as well. You cannot operate the safe mode menu in Bluetooth or wireless mode. So my controller is now plugged in. So now let's press the PlayStation button on my controller and turn on my PS4 controller. Now this is connected. Let's go down to option number 5, rebuild database. And I'm going to go ahead and press OK. Now it says it's going to take a few hours, but in my experience, only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to rebuild the database depending on how much information you have on it. So press OK, and this is actually good for your PlayStation 4 to do this every once in a while, so it's not going to harm it or break it in any way. Your PlayStation 4 is going to restart and then launch into a screen where it gives you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take to rebuild the database. So here is the rebuild database screen. Now if you are having any kind of issue where you cannot restart the application, hopefully one of these fixes did indeed help you out. Now once this is done, it's going to restart and your PlayStation 4 will boot up like normal. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.